Hello YouTube, back at it again. I am now at the horse stable and I just got my horse right. I couldn't record it, but I'm gonna record Jeremiah right now. He's having fun. Jay, look at the camera. There you go. This is my sister. She also went on a pony ride, but I couldn't record that either because I was on the horse. But it's pretty cool.
Yo tengo unas fincas en Puebla, pero para fuera de Puebla.
Look at that smile on his face. He's having so much fun right now. Alright, YouTube, that is the last video I'm going to record for today. Just take a break. I just wanted to record the horses and everything, so bye.